19 easy steps to prosper in your online internet service. To produce your successful online income creating company, you need to set up a system that will assist you create and offer your own items in the long run. To begin, as you build your service with your online products to offer, you will search for recognized affiliate products to plug into your marketing and distributing system. When you have actually created your own items, you will gradually change the affiliate products with your really own. How can you attain that? These are notes in the following action. Will internet company satisfy the credentials? You need to take a look at the evaluation these to make sure that it is actually something you are looking for. Perseverance. Then you will see success. There are highs and lows in all that we do. So there is no point in investing your time and money on something that you will give up the minute things get rough. This takes place, so you must persevere or you might not get going. Your interest in and the market. Decide what to take pleasure in and would like to market and provide. That also has a reasonable market. For instance, if you like gardening, exists enough individuals out there online who share the very same pastime as you, that you can fulfill some of their requirements and create profit at the same time. Learn where your niche market gathers together. How do they relate to other online? Is it through online forums, blog sites, and so on? Know the requirements of your selected market. Interact with your chosen market. Research and discover out how you can become an expert in your chosen market. Discover out what is available on the web that currently fulfills some of the needs. Clearly, the next action is then to find out what are the items you market is asked about that are not readily available. Do you ignore these products that are currently available on the web? You can likewise make some earnings if there is affiliate programs connected with them. At the very same time, you can develop your own then. You cannot preserve an online long-term company by relying on somebody else's website, since it is actually their company. They are just paying you to promote it. It is important to use email to keep in touch with the individuals you fulfill online. You may have an interest in either your brand new product, or one of the affiliate products. You need to create a suggestion page which will have a list of the items. Next, write a series of articles relating to your selected market. At the end of each email post, put a link back to the suggestion page of your website. Start investing much more online with your chosen market. Join every forum you can where individuals in your market get gathered. Find out the answers to the concern individuals ask in the online forums. Offer your answers and in no time individuals will begin to consider you as a professional. Combine your answers to all the concerns that people in online forums have been asking in an information item or FAQ, regularly asked questions page, where they can find out things. What else do you require but a sales page that specifically markets your new product? Create a series of emails that will introduce people to your brand new items. Find joint venture partners that will help you disperse your brand new product. Start marketing in ensigns and other marketers' email lists. Now you can relax and start collecting profits. You will duplicate the procedure from action 1 and create another item. Continue to promote your product as well as some related affiliated products to your mailing list. To develop your successful online income creating organization, you require to set up a system that will assist you develop and sell your own products in the long run. To begin, as you develop your service with your online items to sell, you will search for recognized affiliate items to plug into your advertising and circulation system. Undoubtedly, the next step is to then discover out what the products your market is asking about that are not offered. It is important to utilize email to keep in touch with the people you satisfy online. You may have an interest in either your new products or one of the affiliate products. Continue to promote your products. Promote, as well as some associated affiliate items to your mailing list. I hope some of this has given you a bit more knowledge for your online venture and that you're successful in whatever you try. I will say before you join anything, please do searches. There are a lot of scammers on board the internet, and you don't want to get one of their programs because it will only cost you money and not make you money. So use Google. Google search is a very good tool, covers millions and millions of pages. Also, I use YouTube a lot. I just look for how to in YouTube, and whatever you're interested in, put in there. How to pluck a chicken, how to ride a bike, how to fly an aeroplane, how to sink a ship. You'll probably find videos on all of it, and it's a very good channel for information. So before we go any further, underneath my videos there's a like button. Please press the like button for me, as this helps me on YouTube. So many likes, so many subscribers, and so many hours of watch. You have to have so much before YouTube will entertain putting any adverts into your video. So they can earn money, they need a decent input to your channel, because that's what they're after. Their adverts earn them money. It also earns me money, so that's why I ask you to press the like button. If you want more videos, there's a link underneath my video that leads to YouTube, my channel. There's over 200 videos there, all about internet marketing and how to make money online. If you're interested in any of that, there's also underneath that lot links to tools that I use that help me on the internet, programs I have joined that I like. You click on any of these, they're all affiliated links, so I will make a small commission if you join or purchase. So please don't forget, search and search again. Make sure you got the correct program before you start anything. So this is Ian Jackson saying thank you for being here. Please subscribe, as it helps me, as I've said, and good luck in your venture. Cheerio for now.